Okay, this is my Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. I went with this compared to other ones because of the cost. This only costs you like 18 bucks a year for service. I mean, you don't have to. You can put a SIM card in it. I mean, a SD card, but you know, this is pretty important. You want stuff to be on the cloud, just in case if something happens, somebody yanked this out, you still get to see it. And also the chime, you don't have to use it. I have my own regular bell, but this will be a secondary. This will also work as a Wi-Fi extender, which is a very good stuff. It's like two products in one. And as always, Wyze packs their items as if it's Apple or something. It's really good packaging. They're not really being cheap there. So here we go. This is nice, pretty nice. This is the chime that you gotta plug into your wall. I mean, I also bought, as you see my other video about Wyze lock bolt, and I got this too because I have a new door and everything, so I want to put some new stuff in there, upgrade my old system. This right here is the heart of the game. So this is doorbell itself. I'd say it looks pretty premium. People say it's huge, whatever, but I think it's not that big. It's nice. Yep. I wouldn't recommend using direct wire. I would just use it as is, like a secondary to your belt, because this will want you to disable your current chime, which is not a good idea because this is not that loud. And I would just use it as is, just like a secondary belt system. Basically, it's just a security camera. Then you have the functionality of extra chime and Wi-Fi extender. So you get an extra product plus Wi-Fi extender and a security camera. Pretty good deal. And you only pay what, $1.50 a month or something if you want to subscribe their cloud service, which is pretty good. Well, other ones like Nest and Amazon ones are like stupidly expensive, almost 10 bucks a month. I mean, I remember my first cell phone bill was like 25 bucks a month or something years ago. And 10 bucks for just to have a couple of seconds of videos to be recorded on their cloud, that's nonsense. So go with this one. I mean, I'm kind of biased because I like their products. This video is not sponsored or anything like that. I mean, obviously I have only like 200 subscribers, so it's purchased with my own money and nobody actually gave me money to do this. Okay, you have this little angular bracket that you can actually make this thing, I don't know, probably 20-degree angle. Not bad. And what else in here? Since I'm holding the phone by myself. USB for what? Charging something? Yeah, this is supposed to be chargeable. Yeah, so that's it. This is what comes out of the box. Anything else? Nothing else is in here. So enhance your security system, just get Wyze Video Doorbell Pro and change your deadbolt to that guy right here, and you'll be secure. I would definitely do this in a heartbeat, and because not even all this is about 160 bucks. You can't even buy an Amazon Ring for like this whole price. It's like another nearly almost 100 bucks over this just for one doorbell, just because they come out to the industry first. They're charging premium. This right here is 100. That right there is 60 bucks, 160 for two things. Plus, you got a Wi-Fi extender. Don't forget that. That's itself is probably another 70-80 bucks if you want to buy like a Wi-Fi extender to extend your Wi-Fi. So if you don't have coverage, let's say in your living room, you know, this will, you know, extend the Wi-Fi signal. So this is definitely a good value. Wyze products, I mean, I would definitely go with them anytime. And even if you have problems with Wyze, let's say you purchase this and any reason you don't like it or something, or you're not happy or whatever, you don't like the color or it's too big or too small, just give them a call or email them. They'll send you a RMA label for return, and they'll accept returns, I believe, up to 30 days. No questions asked, they pay for it, and they refund you before they even get the item back to them. That's service right there. So that's, their customer service is pretty neat and pretty on point. So go with the Wyze. I would definitely recommend it. Their DoorBell and any other products. You know, wish me luck installing it. It's not going to be a difficult one. It's probably very easy just to set it up, and I have Wyze software already on my phones. If you have any questions, comments, likes, dislikes, let me know. I'll answer them. I'm sure I'm missing a point or two. Other than that, please like and subscribe to my channel. I add a whole bunch of different things. It could be from gardening to, you know, supercars to fixing stuff, anything, whatever that comes in front of my lens. Also, at the same time, I am recording this video with iPhone 13 Pro Max iPhone and a DJI, let me just take it out, DJI OM5. I really like it. It's good. I bought this for me recording stuff 90 degree directly down. They said that, you know, it will work, whatever, but for some reason it doesn't. I can't do 90 degree angle down. And this is a bonus part. So if you're wondering what I'm recording it with, iPhone and this little dongle. I'm gonna play with this and let you guys know what I think about it. Anyways, this is wrap. So thank you for watching.